Hello everyone. Welcome back to Homeschooling. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe our channel and press that notification bell for more interesting such videos. So, today in this video, let's see some basic strokes for the beautiful cursive handwriting. Right? So here I am sharing some strokes which will help you to improve your handwriting or learn cursive handwriting. Write up small curve. Just practice these strokes and so soon you will be able to write in cursive, a very beautiful cursive handwriting. The next up stroke is right, up, long, curve. You have to write long curve, write up long curve like this. If you practice few strokes, it will be very easy to learn. It won't take so much time to learn the cursive handwriting. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.